We finally made it to Pop Century. The room is much nicer from the last time we were here. Big TV. There's the bed. And that's the pull-down bed there. And the bathroom. Oh, I see you have your clothes hung up already. It's nice. It's nice. It's cute. Cute. There's the washroom. It's nice and clean. Mickey Mouse. Anyways, we have to hurry to get ready.
I didn't notice the Mickey Mouse stuff. That's pretty cool.
We have to hurry to get ready for Grand Floridian cafe reservation.
All right, this is the Grand Floridian Resort.
And we are not staying here, but we're having dinner here. It's so pretty here. Wow. Despite the gray clouds. Oh, look at that. And the Polynesian is walking distance.
Someone is in her Disney glory. You look pretty.
Thank you.
It's beautiful.
This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. What do you think?
This is okay for me. Needs a couple of things here and there, but
I think we can dig it. We're gonna be late for a reservation. How's the bread?
it's terrible.
No, it's not.
Awful.
The butter is delish. I think she said it's a honey butter. It's really good.
Go on.
So we're here at the Grand Floridian Cafe and it's pouring rain outside, which is very unfortunate because I wanted to go see the fireworks. Oh well. Okay, this is our meal. I can't remember what it is that I got. Some pasta thing. Ravioli. It's ravioli. And what'd you get? Steak? Yummy. Again, steak. Alright, so let's dig in. So pretty at night.
We have arrived at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
We're kind of late, so we should just head through to our fast pass. Here we are.
We got some pictures.
Animal Kingdom. I think, I'm not sure if it's a ride or just like a movie thing. Hi. Or, yeah, it's either a ride or a movie thing, but it's like a simulation thing, and I feel like there's like bugs crawling all over you.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
Yeah.
It's a simulation.
Sort of. Well, I don't know, because I've never been on it. Here it is. Last time we saw it in the evening time when it was all lit up. But we won't be here in the evening time today. We'll have to stop in some of these shops after.
Huh?
We'll have to stop in some of these
I just
shops
felt the rain
after.
drop.
It's gonna rain. We have to get inside fast.
I heard thunder.
Africa to the left.
Right here on your left, those horns on their head are not heavy at all. Millions of blood vessels run through them. So their blood will run to the tip of their horn, go back into their body, and the blood will be cooled down. It acts as an air conditioning system for them. So on a very hot African summer day, they are one of the best set of animals out here. Ankole cattle is also called the Watusi cattle because the Watusi tribe first domesticated them in Africa. Here's another ground Maasai giraffe on your left-hand side. There's actually 4 in our immediate area. There's going to be 2 on your left and 2 on your right when we get around that curve. Now, a group of giraffe is called a tower of giraffe. Now, it looks like he's just hiding out in the shade. Now, that's a little bit of that tongue that I was telling you guys about, 18 to 20 inches. And it's actually purple because over time it has evolved so they don't get their tongue sunburned. There's actually a full tongue right over there. Eat some moss. There we go. You want to eat some more moss? I think you can reach it. Do it. Do it.
Oh my gosh.
Got it. Sometimes they just need a little motivation. You know, lions are inactive for 20 hours out of the day. They're only active for 4 hours at night.
Come on, get up.
Times better than it is during the day. If you do the math, they're only active 4 hours every single day. They're going to be active for 3 years of their entire lifespan, and that's it. To us, ostriches are the fastest and largest birds alive. The Bontebok are a very rare antelope to see because in the early 20th century there were only 17 left in the wilderness. And those white rhinos back there is a crash of rhino.
The otters are sleeping. They're very cute.
See that big fish, Dad?
Here we're having our first Mickey ice cream sandwich. Chocolate. Yay, there it is. Look at how big it is next to Marcia. How is it?
That was good. Not as good as a Golden though.
Yep. Chocolate ice cream time.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin.
Hiya, folks. How you doing? Don't worry, you're all white emotions here. The show can begin.
Dora. You look uncomfortably hot.
I'm melting.
There we go. Hold on, wait for me. So what'd you think?
It's hot.
What did you think of the ride?
Avatar, that's pretty cool. That was a pretty cool ride.
Makes me really happy.
Alright, I'm glad you're happy. I'm happy if you're happy.
Is it good?
German buffet.
What'd you get? Pile of stuff. I got some pork schnitzel. It's really good.
Half of everything that's there.
Half.
Back to the other.
This was a strong juice, a liquid form.
This is cute. This is Italy coming pretty Spaceship Earth looks at night. Spaceship Earth looks so pretty at nighttime. People are already staking out their spots for the fireworks show.
Is Epcot one big circle around this lake?
Yep.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Let's go inside Italy. Via Benvenuti. This clock tower here. It's in Venice. And same with this building here. Piazza San Marco. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, it looks so sweaty and dirty.
You want to tell them this here?
It wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be. The Illumination show.
Is that the new one here? What else do we want?
Alright. Let's look at France. They have ice cream here, but I'm still so full from the Biergarten.
I already have.
Hello, from England.
Would you like a spot of tea?
Should we get something? Look, they have a yellow submarine.
What is this?
Yellow submarine.
This is. I should not be here.
Oh, this is the shirt that I want.
I should not be in here right now
Why?
because I could buy everything in here.
That looks like a girl's shirt.
Is it?
Yes.
Looks like
I like this. I'd wear this.
Is it girls?
I think so. To me, it looks like a female cut. This is nice.
Damn, I forgot the
You know, Winnie the Pooh, Christopher Robin.
What do you mean a Christopher Robin?
You know Christopher Robin?
Yeah, but so we're like.
You're gonna do something funny for me.
Huh? We gotta go because I gotta make a.
Pooh? For real? Or are you just being silly?